Hi guys, welcome back to Laney's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making chocolate covered strawberries. Step 1, pour your chocolate into your bowl. Step 2, microwave your chocolate for about 1 minute. After 1 minute in the microwave, stir your chocolate up. After you stir it, put it in the microwave for another minute. Step 5, wash your strawberries. Step 6, stir your chocolate. Step 7, grab a pan and your strawberries. And step 8, start dipping your strawberries in the chocolate. Hold your strawberries by the stem and then lay them on your pan. Alright guys, and that's how you make chocolate covered strawberries. See you next time on Laney's Kitchen.